Paul Ross presents an investor's delight at 6B Constance Street, Bayswater. This property has tenants paying $380 per week and will give you approximately $20,000 a year in rent. Leased until December 2019, you can plan for a whole year before moving into your new home, or keep renting it out as the tenants are keen to potentially stay on. The home features an open-plan living and dining area with a kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances and plenty of bench and cupboard space. There are 3 great-sized bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, high ceilings, ducted reverse cycle air conditioning, solar panels, double garage with shopper's entry, and so much more. This home is located in a sought-after quiet pocket of Bayswater, with the Swan River just a short stroll away. It defines low-maintenance living to suit all lifestyles and is the perfect buy. For more information, a personal viewing, or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.